Hi everyone, this is Cassie from Ringpack. Welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about customized cigarette box. Customization allows cigarette manufacturers to infuse their unique brand identity into the package. Color and graphic design play a crucial role in customized cigarette carton package. Graphics can range from intricate patterns to high-quality image relative to the brand story or the types of cigarettes inside. Moreover, customized cigarette carton package can also address regulatory requirements in a creative way. Although health warnings are mandatory, brands can integrate them into the overall design in a way that doesn't compromise the aesthetic appeal, and offer a unique opportunity for tobacco brands to make a lasting impression in the market and build a loyal customer base. If you are interested, please contact us. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.